Greetings and welcome back to my channel, Trisha Bakes. Today we're going to make our beef patty filling as well as assemble our patties. For our beef patty filling, we're going to start off by washing our mince with a bit of malted vinegar. Next, we're going to brown our mince. I did not use any oils or fat for this matter. To start layering the flavors, my husband's going to add 5 heaped tablespoons of his own homemade green seasoning. Even though there's fresh garlic in the green seasoning, he went ahead and added roughly about 1.5 tablespoons of granulated garlic. To give the beef mince a rich flavor, my husband is going to add roughly 125 ml of boiling water to 2 stock cubes and add this to the meat. Next, he's roughly going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour to 125 ml of boiling water. He's also going to add a bit of browning to the flour mixture, which he's then going to add into the mince. This helps with thickening up the mixture slightly. The browning also helps to create a rich dark color. Next, he's going to add roughly 150 grams of breadcrumbs. This helps with not just the texture, but also again with thickening up the mixture. Here is adding roughly 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and that just helps with cutting down the spiciness a bit, but also adding more flavor to the meat. To start assembling our patties, we're going to take some of the dough, which is roughly the size of a tennis ball, and we're going to just roll it out and then try and create a little tiny square. The folding action helps to create layers, which is what patties are known for. Ideally, you want to use a stainless steel rolling pin or any rolling pin that's going to help to keep the dough as cool as possible. I rolled it out obviously in a square shape, and then used a Pyrex dish lid to cut out the circles. You could even do this by hand, or even use a guide, whichever guide you have at home. You're going to fill half of the patty with some of your meat, and I then used egg wash, which I've added a little bit of white vinegar to seal the edges, and fold it over, and then use my thumbs to create this scallop pattern. Try not to use too much flour, only when necessary, for example, to stop the dough from sticking to your surface or to your rolling pin. Any excess flour can be brushed off using a pastry brush or just your hands. I'm just going to let the clip play and just demonstrate and how I go about assembling my patties. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Until next time, blessings.